4 attached to central atom. Here is number of ligands are 6 attached to central atom, gives different type of geometrical design, and number of ligand will decide that which type of polyhedral design will form. It is depend on number of ligand attached to central atom. So there are mostly 3 type of geometrical design obtained: octahedral, tetrahedral and square planar. But there are another polyhedral design obtained. It is to be said square pyramidal or trigonal bipyramidal. So all these type of geometrical shape are obtained by attaching ligands to central atom, and it is depend on number of ligand. So we are having some example and we will decide which type of polyhedral design obtained. Let's see. Coordination polyhedron. So octahedral means number of ligand are 6. If number of ligands are 6, suppose we are having CO, NF3 6 and 3 plus. Here number of ligands are 6. Then the design or geometrical shape will be octahedral. So octahedral, M means metal. This is the coordination bond. This is the coordination bond. The shape will like this. Total 6 ligand. So number of ligands are 6. It is towards to central atom. So you all attach all this. I am writing over here the shape of octahedral. You can clearly see that this is the shape of octahedral. This is the shape of octahedral. So total 6 ligands are attached to central atom and give geometrical design, that is to be said octahedral. So number of 6 ligand are attached to central atom will give us octahedral shape. If number of 4 PTCl4 and it is 2 minus, this is square planar. So metal, this is the square planar. Number of ligand are 4. So total these are 4 ligand attached to metal ion and the shape will be square planar. This is the square planar shape. If number of 4 દાખલા for example NiCO4 and it is 2 plus, then it is tetrahedral. Shape will be tetrahedral. Metal ion, this shape will be tetrahedral. Number of ligand are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then one will be tetrahedral and number of ligand are 4. One will be square planar. It is decided by the electronic configuration of nickel and platinum. We will discuss later on. So number of ligand will be 4. There will be two geometrical shape will obtain. One will be square planar and second will be tetrahedral. Now number of ligands are 5. Then it is trigonal bipyramidal. So trigonal bipyramidal, number of ligands are 5. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4 and this is the 5. It is trigonal bipyramidal. You all join the ligand, we will have the shape like this, trigonal bipyramidal. And last we are having trigonal square planar, that is also depend on the number of ligand. So there are the different geometrical shape and it is polyhedron, means number of ligand attached to central atom will decide different type of geometrical shape, and that is to be said name octahedral, square planar, tetrahedral, trigonal bipyramidal and trigonal square planar. So it is very simple. Trigonal square planar means metal ion, 4 different ligands over here and one ligand from the upside. This total number of ligand here is also 5 and here is also 5. So number of ligand will be 5. We are having two different shape, trigonal bipyramidal and trigonal square planar. Trigonal square planar. So we are having two common over here and we are having two common over here. Number of ligand 4, there will be two shape, square planar and tetrahedral. Number of 5 will be two different shape, trigonal bipyramidal and trigonal square planar. It is simple arrangement of ligand surrounding central atom. So now we are clear over here. That is the polyhedral completed. Now on means oxidation number. Oxidation number. On means oxidation number of central atom. You all know that how can we decide oxidation number? If ammonia is neutral, then cobalt will be 3 plus. So cobalt having the oxidation number is 3 plus. Same way platinum is 2 plus. Oxidation number of platinum is 2 plus. Total chloride ion is 4. So it is 4 minus and 2 plus. Then remaining charge will be 2 minus. So charge of metal ion which is decided by to make neutral attaching negative ion. Suppose I am writing over here PtCl2, then it is neutral. but I am writing over here PtCl4, then it is negative. So it is very simple. We have already studied oxidation number of central atom in redox reaction. It is the same over here. Now, last topic, homoleptic and heteroleptic. So what is homoleptic and heteroleptic coordination compound? Let's see with example again. Last topic of the day, homoleptic and heteroleptic. You can easily understand by simple example. First example over writing over here. Here is the cobalt ammonia 6 and 3 plus. Here is cobalt chloride 3 ammonia 3. Here is neutral. So central atom attaching with the same molecule or only one type of molecule or same type of ligand, this coordination compound is known as homoleptic compound. And if central atom is attaching with two different type of ligand, here is only one type of ligand, that is ammonia. Here is different two type of ligand. One ligand is the chloride ion and another ligand is ammonia. So here is the mixed ligand, chloride and ammonia. This coordination compound is known as heteroleptic coordination compound. Only one type of ligand attached to central atom, then it is homoleptic coordination compound. And if two different type of ligand attached to central atom, then it is to be said heteroleptic coordination compound. Very easy, very simple. Clear? So we have cleared different type of terms related to coordination compound. Just I am speaking to revise you. You kindly write down this formula. With this formula you can understand all terms related to coordination compound. First, COI means coordination entity. Ca means central atom or ion. Li means ligand. Con means coordination number of central atom. C means coordination. S means sphere. C means coordination. P means polyhedron. O means oxidation number of central atom. Ho means homoleptic coordination compound. And He means heteroleptic coordination compound. You just write down this formula and try to revise. You can easily understand with the proper example. Revise my video lecture 2 times and send me homework by today evening 2 times. Thank you very much.